Let's talk about Todeco Barbecue Tool Set, Barbecue Grill Toolkit Material, Aluminium Alloy Case Material, Aluminium Alloy with Aluminum Case, 18 Stainless Steel Utensils. Utensil material, stainless steel tool length, 17-inch. Accessories, 1x barbecue fork, 1x spatula, 1x tongs, 1x wire brush, 1x basting brush, 1x knife, 4x skewers, 8x corn holders. Portable, because of its side handle, it's convenient to carry eco-friendly material to avoid any potential toxicity. Large capacity, a modern kitchen utensil to cook dishes for yourself and the whole family. Practicality, kitchen utensil that is indispensable for saving time and space. The rust-proof material and unique structure make it a worthwhile purchase. Practicality, protect your utensils with durable storage case, can be cleaned with a wet cloth or a damp sponge. Waterproof and rust-proof materials. Multi-purpose, a set that is suitable for many occasions. Lightweight and easy to store. Practicality, economical product for individuals, professionals or housewives. Had to return this item as it arrived damaged. The tools themselves were good quality, well-designed pieces, but it is let down by the case, which is extremely flimsy and poorly designed and made. Shame. Bought this as a gift for my dad, but I've used it a fair bit too. Everything inside is great quality. A great gift for somebody who loves to barbecue. Surprisingly good quality in a nice case. Ideal for keeping your Barbie tools together.